Hey everyone, back with another Pokemon pack opening video. This will be a couple of 3 packs of Pokemon Furious Fists. So let's get started here. Alright, so starting off here we got a Trapinch. Then we got an Electabuzz. Poliwag. We got a Plusle. Pikachu. Machoke. Hitmonlee. Training Center trainer card. Reverse holo of a Machoke. And the other card here is a Lucario EX card. That's a nice pack there. Moving on to the next pack here. These extra packs came from Walmart. So starting off here, we got Pancham, Torchic, Clefairy, Pikachu, Magmar, Klefki, Energy Switch trainer card, Gothorita, reverse holo of a Skorupi, or Skorupi, however you pronounce that, and the rare card here is an Aurorus. Alright, last pack here. Alright, starts off here with Scraggy, Poliwag, Trapinch, Pancham, Torchic, Vigoroth, Jaw Fossil, Clefable, Sparkling Robe, a reverse holo, and the rare card is Tornadus. Anyways, that wraps up this opening. Thanks for watching.